Nowadays, money is a necessary commodity. Money can be made in a variety of ways. The time when achieving it required being at work is definitely past. Today, you can work from home while still earning money. Isn't it wonderful? We are happy that the internet has made life easier for people. Yes, this video will assist you if you are confused about how to make money online and have no idea where to start. These 12 facts will help you out. Before moving ahead, welcome to NetWealth, the largest YouTube channel about finance and investment. Please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel NetWealth, subscribe to stay connected. What else can be more comforting or relaxing than sitting at home or work and earning a good income? I have been part of the market for several years, and I'm well aware of the tricks and tips that can help you grow in the online world regarding business and monetary aspects. Let's discuss the 12 proven facts that will help you to start your journey. Number 1, create your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers, including 5-year-olds, can earn millions of dollars annually. Consider PewDiePie, who has earned almost $15 million by recording live streaming of games. You too can do this. Some other examples of valuable videos include cooking videos, unboxing a product, travel vlogs, comedy skits, and so on. What you'll have to do is this: set up your YouTube channel, which will host your videos. Be consistent with your video uploads and precise when describing the content you plan to cover. Also, you can post the videos in your blog or website or on social media. Create a fan base by answering viewers' comments. Your goal is to grab viewers' attention. That's it. This is the best and most simple approach to increase finances. Number 2, work as a content writer. Do you think that writing is your cup of coffee? If your answer is yes, then you can change your skills into a profitable business deal. Yes, you can start blogging as a career. Many websites pay you for creating articles and blogs. Moreover, you can offer your services online through outsourcing websites and make money quickly. There are many professional networks where you can connect with peer professionals through networking and offer your services for making online money. Number 3, earn with Google AdSense. All you need to do here is either set up a website or start a blog related to your product line. Once your website is 6 months old, you can apply for a Google AdSense account, though I would recommend you generate as much traffic as you can in those 6 months so that the approval gets easier for you. AdSense is a CPC, that is a Certified Professional Coder advertising network in which publishers can add HTML or CSS ads on their websites. The publishers earn for each click once viewers see the displayed advertisement. The good thing is that AdSense is one of the most extensive ad networks that have been paying publishers globally, and the one having it can have a significant income online. But let me tell you one important thing. No doubt it is one of the easiest and simplest ways to make money online, but remember, it is not easy to manage an AdSense account. AdSense follows strong policies for approval, and if you violate those policies, you may get banned. So be alert. If you own one, you need to use it wisely. Number 4, become a domain investor. It is an online profession advertising great scope to the investors for making online money. Your goal should always be to contribute to non-exclusive business names for enhancing the value of the website. Short and easy to remember names always do fantastic. Then search for buyers ready to pay you well for the domain bought merely for a few dollars. It is an excellent platform for apprentices looking for fundamental ways to boost their income. Number 5, sell informative pictures online. This is one of the best ways to make money online that offers equal opportunity to newbies and professionals. Even professional photographers, as well as budding photographers, can give it a try. But always watermark your pictures and display them for sale on websites like iStock Photo, Shutterstock, SmugMug Pro, and many others where you can make extra money by selling your photographed images. You can put them up for sale in special categories that are relevant to your vision. Number 6, become an Amazon Associate Partner. This is another way of earning online money. Amazon Associates Network is the most popular affiliate network. To be an Amazon associate, you need to recommend products sold on Amazon's website to your readers. Suppose any of your readers tap the concerned advertisement and purchase the product. In that case, the publisher wins a referral income for initiating that sale. Remember, these ads are HTML ads with an affiliate URL redirecting to Amazon's website. One of the incredible things about becoming an Amazon Associate Partner is that you can generate a better share of salary than CPC networks. Number 7. Online marketing and SEO projects. What about being a computerized marketer? In fact, it is one of the more profitable career alternatives that give you the freedom to sit at home and make money online easily. You need to learn online marketing and then source SEO projects. Search engine marketing aims at boosting the traffic of the site for which SEO is to be done. Different digital marketing tricks are applied for enhancing the traffic of the website for generating leads. Once you understand the basics, it then becomes easier for you. Number 8. Sell your online course on Udemy. Your expertise is always your strength. Identify your skills, work on that, and revolutionize them to boost your pay. This is one of those progressive processes that involve the creation of an online course. What you have to do is write a complete course and sell it on Udemy. Udemy is one of the best educational platforms where experts share their expertise with people who really want to learn. So you can set a cost for your course and get paid each time anyone downloads it. Number 9. Work as a marketing consultant. Okay, so maybe you're puzzled. If the previous ideas work for you, do you not get confused regarding how to make money online on the internet? You still have choices. What about advertising your consulting services and getting paid for making arrangements? It is undoubtedly an excellent opportunity that can help you yield a great amount of money. What you have to do is post your work prerequisites on social media websites and other proficient networks, and then kickstart them together with your earning plans. It's that simple. Number 10. Write a review post for big brands. Do you have good writing skills? Own a web journal? Cool. Upon their request, you can compose review posts for huge brands on your website, and they will pay you for doing this. Simply because you help them generate some traffic towards their website through that post, they pay you well. Why not give it a try? Number 11. Sell compatible PC parts. This is another facet for making money online. If you are an IT student or have basic knowledge about PC parts, you can use various online PC part picker websites to build a compatible PC parts list and sell them on multiple outsourcing websites. You can also start your venture in building a custom PC and earn a lot more using this amazing method. Number 12. Sell products with e-commerce. E-commerce marketing is the big trend these days and is one of the most excellent ways to earn money online. If you've got a product line of your own, you need to open a related website to promote and offer that product. A few of these websites can incorporate Amazon, Flipkart, and Urban Ladder. You need to have significant traffic on your website to make it happen, and for that, you must publish articles or blogs for making backlinks that will divert toward your site. Even if you can generate one lead in a day, you can make a huge income. I hope all your doubts regarding making quick online money have been answered after watching this video. So what are you waiting for? Apply these money-making facts now to become rich. Your hard work and efforts will pay off in the form of monetary freedom. To find more information on making money online, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to NetWealth. And if you have any questions about the entire money-making platforms, please post them in the comments below. Our channel will keep you updated on where the trends are. Thanks for your time. Cheers.